Alright, so guys, Herbert has come in with very, very severe head lice. Feed on the living. It's where very severe lice, very harmful lice, head lice, eat whatever head lice eat on unicorns.
Correct.
It's very severe, so we're cleaning his horn, then we're washing his horn. And who knows, he might need head surgery. We don't know yet. And he's going to have a brain checkup. Because he knew he had lice, but he didn't wash them out.
Terrible.
So, we don't know, guys.
Okay, I'm ready for my procedure. What is that tool, nurse?
It is the electric brush that we are going to use to clean Herbert's horn.
All right, fire it up.
All right, let's go. That's the back.
Let's get a little close-up of this action.
That's the front. That's one of the sides. And now, this side. And just so you know, it doesn't hurt us.
Okay. It tickles. It tickles so much. I am Herbert the unicorn. Right. I've never had this before.
All right, so that's brushing his hair. All right, guys. Now we're on to the polishing tool. Well, technically it's a soap scrub. It also polishes.
I'm ready for the polishing sequence. Oh, I see lots of extra hair flying off of there. Maybe that's all those lices coming off.
No, his lice is red. Really red.
Okay.
This is white. It's just some of his dandruff.
Okay.
He has dandruff.
Unicorn dandruff?
Yes.
I have unicorn dandruff. I've always had it. Will this help me?
And just so you know, this is really soft too.
Okay. Very nice, nurse.
All right.
Let's see.
Now
A little close-up inspection.
All right.
Okay.
We've brushed, scrubbed, and polished. All right. So now we're going to figure out if he needs head surgery or not. All right. We're going to get a sample of his hair with this.
Okay.
All right. So, Dr. Zand, are we ready to get the sample?
We are ready for sampling. This feels like it's going to hurt. Can I have some anesthetic, please?
Sorry, we don't have enough.
Ah! Ah!
See, guys? That is pure unicorn hair.
Oh, no. I'm going to be Herbert, the bald-headed unicorn, pretty soon.
All right, so, Dr. Zand.
Yes?
How do you think this is going to go?
I think he's going to need brain surgery.
Head surgery?
Yes.
And then we'll do a brain checkup to see if he needs brain surgery.
Do we have any samples of the lice we can examine?
Yes, we in fact have a giant sample of hair and a giant sample of lice.
Okay.
I see a bit of red right there. Oh my gosh, there's a humongous lice egg.
Oh, we got to get that out of there, nurse.
All right.
It's jumping around. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to get out.
Oh no! It just traveled onto the ear.
Don't let it touch you.
It can't. It isn't covered in the special.
Oh, it's trying to go in his ear. Oh, good. You got it
off.
Okay. Okay, nurse. Since that other piece of lice egg was trying to get into his ear, we better check his ear and see if any others have made it in there.
I see something. Some others have made it in his ear.
Oh, no.
That's very severe.
Did you get it out?
I see a tiny little piece. See, guys, it's right there, guys.
Oh,
It's right there now.
Okay. Oh, I see it.
It's covered. It's on here.
You got it. Okay.
Okay, guys, we have determined that Herbert needs brain surgery, so stay tuned in next time to see the brain procedure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time for the brain surgery video.